Keap CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Keap CRM is a popular customer relationship management tool designed to help small businesses streamline sales and marketing processes. It offers a suite of features aimed at automating tasks, managing customer interactions, and improving overall efficiency. One of Keap's standout features is its all-in-one automation system, which allows users to create personalized email sequences, manage leads, and automate follow-ups without needing external tools. The CRM comes with built-in sales pipelines, helping businesses track every stage of the customer journey, from initial inquiry to final sale. Keap also integrates with a wide range of third-party tools like Gmail, QuickBooks, and Zapier, which makes it flexible and adaptable for various business needs. What makes Keap ideal for small businesses is its simplicity and customization. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or a growing small business, Keap offers easy-to-use templates and workflows to save time while managing customer relationships. You can set up customized landing pages, create automated marketing campaigns, and manage contacts, all from a user-friendly dashboard. Keap also provides powerful reporting tools that give you real-time insights into your sales and marketing efforts, helping you make data-driven decisions. However, Keap isn't perfect. The software is priced higher than many other CRM solutions, and its pricing structure can be confusing for new users. Some features that are essential for larger businesses, like advanced reporting and integrations, require higher-tier plans. While the customer support team is responsive, users often report a learning curve, especially when it comes to setting up automation workflows and utilizing its full range of features. The platform can feel overwhelming for absolute beginners, and you might find yourself needing time to fully grasp its capabilities. That being said, Keap CRM excels at its core functionality of helping businesses convert leads into paying customers. Its strong automation, sales pipeline management, and ease of use make it a solid choice for small businesses looking to improve their marketing and sales efforts. If you're a business owner looking for a tool that can grow with you and integrate into your existing systems, Keap CRM is worth considering. But keep in mind that the cost may not justify the investment for every business, especially if you're just starting out. Before you commit, make sure you understand the pricing structure and the features you truly need.